Hello and welcome. Today, I will show you how to manage email forwarders. These are tools that automatically redirect emails from one address to another. This enables you to have a centralized way of getting notifications from a number of email addresses that you manage without having to check individual accounts. Let's get started. Log into your account. Once in, go to Email Manager and click Forwarders. Here, you will be able to see the number of forwarders you can create for your account, and if you already have any, this is where they will be listed. If you want to create a new mail forwarder, click on the Create Email Forwarder button. You will then get this form where you should answer the following. Which name do you want to give your forwarder? Let's say marketing. What are we forwarding? In this case, emails. We are forwarding to a specific address, for example, marketingtesting@gmail.com. Basically, whenever an email is sent to marketing@thisdomain.com, a copy of it will be forwarded to marketingtesting@gmail.com. Once satisfied that you have entered the right information, hit the green Create button. You will get a notification that the forwarder has been created, and that's it. If you wish to modify, click on the Modify button. Here you will be able to make any adjustments to the forwarder. That's it for now. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.